Hello, everyone. Welcome back to today's episode of Unusual Option Activity video series brought to you by the Market Action app. I'm your host, Dersh, and let's take a look at some of the unusual option activity today. For those who are not familiar with unusual option activity, it's options that are trading unusually out of their normal trading range. And the Market Action app has algorithms built into place that will track these unusual options as they hit the tape, and it will mark it for you. So make sure you check out our app and sign up for a free trial, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or would like to learn more about unusual option activity. So let's jump in. So before we get started, here's a quick disclaimer. This presentation is for educational purposes only, and this is not investment advice. So let's look at some of the unusual option activity that happened today, and then we'll go over something to watch out for going forward. And before we get started, sorry I kind of missed a few episodes. There was a lot of unusual option activity we still covered in our Discord channel. If you're on Discord, please join us there, and you can stay more up to date. As we see unusual activity, we'll post it right away in our Discord community. So, today was a very wild day after Russia and Ukraine invasion. Russia invading Ukraine. Markets were really drowned, and right after the markets opened, they were bouncing a little bit right up until Mr. President Biden's speech came in, and the market really took off after that. But you were seeing already a lot of buying going on at some of the levels that the stocks opened after. Right at the opening bell. So here we have Tesla. Our unusual option algorithm tracked these $750 calls, same day expiration, way good amount of open interest and good amount of volume throughout the day. However, these came in as unusual because somebody was really trying to buy these really quickly, and a lot more people followed through. So the opening was 340,000. There were like more flows coming after it, higher and higher strikes. So it was something very popular, and people were looking to buy Tesla at these levels. And whoever bought these for 19, these closed at 52.79. So it's almost more than double, and also went as high as $54.20. So $19.42 is $1,942. You took almost $2,000 and turned it into $5,277. Now these will decay really fast. These are way in the money. Right now, Tesla closed at I think 797, and Theta will hit these calls. So most likely, whoever had these, they probably closed out of them before the market closed. It's not advisable to hold 1 or less than 7 DTE calls where the Theta decay is going to be really high. And the IV crush will happen as well, because today was a very volatile day. So something to keep in mind: when you have profits and they're closer to expiration, you either roll out and capture some of your profits and continue to ride the momentum, or you can close it and cash it in. Here's another one. Like I said, market was bouncing today. These were also flagged unusual, very small amount, but then we saw more and more call flow coming on top of this. These were, I think, the low was $2.32, but when we saw this unusual, when our app detected it, it was trading at around $3.47. And where did it close? It closed at 11:46. This is also one days to expiration, but it went as high as 13. So almost 10 times the price since this was tracked in the app. Just an amazing day for options trading today. Here's another one that we shared in our Discord. We saw a lot of unusual call buying of $1.25 calls in Macy's. Even we also saw some flow for I think $1.30 calls. So a lot of upside call buying going on in Macy's, and the stock just really took off. These calls, the flow was tracked at $1.61. Oops, sorry. $1.61, and it went as high as $2.31. So once again, close to doubling your returns in just a matter of day. I was expecting this to play out for much longer, but the $1.25, I think Macy's right around close, Macy's touched the $1.25 mark. So these calls briefly went in the money before close. And these, you don't have to worry about it so much because you have a lot of time. It's still 48 days to expiration, so you don't have to worry about closing it out right away. But once certain things go in the money, you either want to cash it in or you want to lock in your profits by rolling out. But yeah, great day to trade once again. Now here's some unusual activity that we saw at the end of the day, and this is on top of unusual activity that we saw yesterday, where about close to $12 million worth of puts were being bought in after hours. So this flow came in at around 4 p.m., very close to market, almost market close, and we had similar activity yesterday too. So just something to watch out for. People are still buying these because I'm looking at the volume. So let's look at the 188 puts. The open interest is 7,000. The volume was 35,000. The open interest was 33,000. And the volume was 113,000. So these were traded pretty heavily all day. But we continue to see a lot of big prints when it comes to put buying. People are still scared about the whole Russia-Ukraine situation. I think Secretary Blinken just said that you can expect this invasion to not end anytime soon and carry on for quite a few days. So there's still a lot could happen. A new spike could come in and crash the market again. So people are still hedging, and something to keep an eye out for. And we just didn't see flow for IWM. We saw put buying for QQQs. We saw put in close to $1 million worth of put flow in prints, multiple prints, and then also SPY put options. So something to watch out for. Here's a very unusual one that we saw today is OVV. This is a company that's based in Delaware but is founded and headquartered in Calgary, Alberta, and was one of the largest producer of natural gas. So with the whole Russia situation, somebody's, I think, is betting that, hey, this should go higher. As the way the whole situation plays out and the demand for nat gas improves. So these calls were traded around 95. It closed at 93. They have 21 days to expiration. This was very unusual because we don't really see this ticker hit the tape much. and the volume was way over open interest. So something to definitely watch out for. It's a very cheap contract at 0.95 cents relative to a lot of other high value stocks that we see. So something to keep an eye and track through. And that brings us to a quick introduction to our app. Make sure you visit marketaction.live and try out our app and sign up for a free trial. And let us know if you have any feedback, and join our community to trade unusual option activity and learn about it. Also, make sure to tune in almost every Monday morning. Every pre-market in the morning. I'm trying to not just Monday morning, almost every morning. I'm trying to create these videos as best as I can to see what is trending during that day and what to watch out for as you kind of start your trading day. Once again, thank you for watching. Please click to subscribe and click the notifications icon so you get notified when our next video comes in. Please comment below and let us know if you have any questions or feedback. And please share this with your fellow traders on social media, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever your social media is. And take care. The markets are still choppy. Trade responsibly, and we'll see you in the next video.